In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Google Calendar. Whether it's for organizing personal schedules, managing work appointments, or keeping track of important events, having a dedicated calendar can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, go ahead and open up Google Calendar on your desktop. This is where you'll start the process. Once you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you will notice a section labeled Other Calendars. This is a key area you'll be working with. You might see a little plus sign right next to this label, and that's what you'll need to click on. This plus sign is essentially your gateway to creating a new calendar. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be presented with a few options, but the one you're looking for is Create New Calendar. Give that a click. Now you're at the heart of the creation process, and it's time to add some details. Think about what you want to call this new calendar. Maybe it's your personal workout schedule, or perhaps a project timeline for work. Whatever it is, type the name that best suits your purpose. Not only can you give your calendar a name, but you also have the opportunity to add a description. This is where you can elaborate a bit on what this calendar's focus will be. Is it for team meetings, family events, or tracking meals? Adding a description can help you and anyone else who might view it understand its purpose instantly. Once you've decided on a name and description, don't forget to set the time zone. Ensuring the correct time zone is crucial as it affects the way your events are displayed according to your local time. You wouldn't want any surprises when it comes to your meeting times or event reminders. With everything set, it's time to bring your calendar to life by clicking the Create Calendar button. After you do this, you might wonder where this new creation ended up. Don't worry, your newly made calendar will automatically appear under the section titled My Calendars. This easy access allows you to quickly toggle between different calendars you've created or subscribed to. There you have it. You've successfully added a new calendar to Google Calendar. It's organized, personalized, and all set for you to start adding events. This feature not only helps you stay organized, but also makes sharing your schedule with others much easier. So make sure to explore and add even more calendars as your needs grow. Thanks for tuning in.